So this has caused quite a stir. And that is the Verfied program for the Steam machine is 1080p at 30 FPS. Now, you might hear that and say, wait, what? Well, if you have a Steam Deck and you go on Steam, certain games will have a little badge that says this is Steam Deck compatible, right? So you know what games will run on your Steam Deck and which ones will not. Every game has a certain requirement in order to hit that quote unquote, mark that says it's compatible with your said device. The Steam machine is no different. When you go on Steam with the Steam machine, it's going to tell you if this game can run or cannot run on your device. Now, in order for a game to be able to have the verified thingy-wingy, it has to at least be able to play at 1080p at 30 FPS. So, in order for it to be verified, if it can't, meet that requirement, it's not going to have the verified badge that says it can run on your machine. So, because of that, people are now getting upset. They're going crazy about this, saying, like, oh, this can't run anything better than that. No, it can run better than that. And depending on the game, you're going to be able to run it at higher settings than 1080p 30 FPS. This is just the verified badge program. It's the same thing on the Steam Deck. It's the same thing on the Steam machine. There's really no difference. It's just saying, hey, this game can run at least at those settings right there. So, again, it is what it is. I think a lot of people just want to hate on the Steam machine But I do understand the price tag is going to be crazy, right? The price tag's going to be ridiculous. And a lot of people are, rightfully so, going to be upset with that. Valve did say at CES that, or not CES, my bad, GDC 2026, they said, hey, if anyone's selling RAM, we are open to buying it. And we would love to add more RAM to the Steam machine. The sad part is they can't because how crazy the price of RAM is at this moment in time. So this is only going to have rumored 8 gigabytes of RAM, which, is way less than you want. But at the same time, here's what I'll say about this, right? When you get a Steam Deck, you're not expecting to run AAA games at 60 FPS maxed out settings, right? I don't think anyone gets a Steam Deck and expects to run crazy games on it. The same concept applies to the Steam machine. If you're getting the Steam machine expecting to run AAA games at maxed out settings, this is not the device for you. And the sad part is because of the jacked up price, because of RAM prices and PC prices in general, it's going to make the device look like it should be a device like that, right? Where it should be able to run stuff at crazy settings. But the sad part is that's not what the device is. It's just like a Steam Deck. Now, Steam Deck is correctly priced around that $500 range. So it's not ridiculously crazy, right? You don't go into it with the expectations you're going to be able to run, the best of the best games possible. But again, it's that, price tag. This is going to it's going to mess with everything. That's really what it comes down to. But overall wise, I wouldn't worry about the whole verified program or anything like that. Like, don't see this and think that, the best it can run is 1080p 30 FPS. That's not the case. So, it's what made a video clearing things up because I see a lot of people getting upset about this. It's not something to get upset about. If you're going to buy a Steam machine, you're probably already in the, customer bracket where you understand the whole premise of a Steam machine and a Steam Deck. For those who aren't going to buy it, those are usually the people complaining and upset, and they probably don't own a Steam Deck. So, it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.